Today, let's learn about who I am. Welcome everybody. Here's Easy Talk Corner. That helps you improve your English skills. Quiz rules. The teacher will show and read the question prompt. The pupils will guess which community helper was described. Ready, let's start. I help put out fires in the community. Guess who am I? Yes, I am a firefighter. I teach children at school. Guess who am I? Yes, I am a teacher. I help make beautiful houses. Guess who am I? Yes, I am a builder.
I bake delicious bread and cake. Guess who am I? Yes, I am baker. I help make the community safe. Guess who am I? Yes, I am police officer. I help cure people who are sick. Who am I? Guess. Yes, I am a doctor.
I grow crops and take care of animals on the farm. Guess who am I? Yes, I am a farmer. I cook delicious food in a restaurant. Guess who am I? Yes, I am a chef. I drive people to places in a big yellow vehicle. Guess who am I? Yes, I am a bus driver. I take care of animals when they are ill. Who am I? Yes, I am a veterinarian. I fly high in the sky and carry passengers. Guess. Who am I? Yes, I am a pilot. I write news and stories for people to read. Guess. Who am I? Yes, I am a journalist. I fix broken lights and wires. Guess. Who am I? Yes, I am an electrician. After watching the video, I believe that you learned something. If you like it, please write in the comment box. And like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next video.